This ABC 15 flash briefing is sponsored by Sanderson Ford. Straight up.
Hello, I'm Justin Pizzera with your top stories from ABC15 Arizona. The state of education remains unclear for the Scottsdale Unified School District. The board plans to meet tonight to discuss the learning model for next semester, but it comes as 3 schools within the district will officially move back to online learning today. Arcadia, Chaparral, and Desert Mountain will be remote, while Cocopah and Mountainside will reopen today for in-person learning. Sunday night, the district announced all 5 would be closed yesterday due to a lack of staffing.
Coming into the buildings now with this uncontrolled community spread and the numbers the way that they are, those risks are not worth the potential benefit of in-person learning.
As we look at our data, the number of cases in our schools and the lack of evidence of transmission within the schools makes it hard to say that we really should return to virtual at the present time.
District's COVID-19 dashboard shows 36 active confirmed cases. The county's school dashboard says the neighborhood around the district is experiencing substantial spread with spiking case numbers and a positivity rate just under 10%. Bracing for a super spreader event, the TSA says 1.2 million people passed through the U.S. airports on Sunday, despite warnings not to travel for Thanksgiving. Previous holidays include Memorial Day, 4th of July, and Labor Day. They were followed by increases in COVID-19 cases. The U.S. currently has 13.5 million positive cases. Health experts are urging anyone who traveled to get tested. COVID-19 is driving up the demand for healthcare workers across the country. It's not clear how many jobs are needed here in Arizona, but Banner alone is looking to fill 900 positions. The head of the Arizona Hospital and Healthcare Association tells ABC 15, in general, hospitals are paying triple the typical rate for some positions.
That is, and in fact, what happens is, and that's what we saw in the summer, is that there was intense competition for traveling nurses and for staff, and that we had, some staff going over to other traveling agencies, and it just is really driving up prices for hospitals.
We're told ICU nurses and respiratory therapists are among those in shortest supply. The city of Tucson could go under a COVID-19 curfew. The mayor planning to seek approval today. It would begin at 8 o'clock at night and then run through December the 22nd. It would ban people from being on public streets or spaces unless they're traveling to work or essential activities. With social distancing rules and quarantining, dating and meeting people, that can be pretty difficult. So that's where dating apps come in. Apps are reporting an increase in usage since the pandemic started, but it's not just to find love. A psychologist in Denver says dating apps have the potential to play a bigger, more positive role in single people's mental health during the pandemic.
They can use it to find a friend that they could have a romantic relationship in the future, but they could actually get to know the person first. We call it like the counter hookup culture.
The app BLK is a dating app for black singles. It is starting to introduce new features and engagement opportunities to keep people connected on social issues important to them. Today is Giving Tuesday, a chance for you to help your community by donating your time or your money to an organization. One way to give back is through Operation Santa Claus. We are collecting money, toys, kids' clothing, and non-perishable food items for 5 charities. You can drop off donations at Sanderson Ford or Lincoln or the nearest UPS store. You can also donate at givetotheclaus.com.
Hi there, I'm Megan Thompson, tracking your most accurate forecast on your Tuesday. Another beautiful day ahead. Let's look statewide at the forecasted highs. 62 in Sedona, 50 in Show Low, 73 along the Colorado River Valley, 61 in Kingman, 51 in Page, 70 degrees in Casa Grande. And here in Arizona, the Phoenix Metro, 71 degrees is our forecasted high. And here's how we're going to get there. We'll stay in the 40s through a good chunk of the morning, getting into the 50s right around 9 a.m. Then by 10 a.m., 56, the 60s join us by 11 a.m. and then the 70s come our way right around 3 p.m. So then tomorrow we'll start to trend downward because of a low pressure system joining us on Thursday, bringing those breezes and dropping our temperatures into the upper 60s for forecasted highs. 66 Thursday and Friday. Overnight lows dropping as well Friday into Saturday. The 70s return on Monday.
And for the latest headlines, weather, and traffic, head to abc15.com or download the free ABC15 mobile app.
This ABC 15 Flash Briefing is sponsored by Sanderson Ford. Straight up.